Okay, now for the pair project itself, right, I just want to do a quick discussion on the logical data model of your system. Because the logical data model is the most important part of your entire enterprise system. If you get the logical data model correct, it will be much easier for you to implement the use case, and vice versa. Okay, so I just want to spend a little bit of time to talk about the logical data model. Okay, now I will run through some of the important things that you need to take note of. Okay, now if you run through the use cases given to you, you will be able to see some very distinguished entity classes that you need to model in your system, or because they are explicitly stated in the use cases. Okay, so for example, you will have things like employee. Okay, you have things like employee over here. Okay, then you have things like run type. Okay, so you have things like run type over here. Okay, then you have things like run. Alright, then you have things like run rate. Okay, run rate. Okay, then you have things like so-called reservation. Okay, you have things like reservation. Okay, then you have things like gas, alright? That's obvious, okay? And then you have things like partner, okay? Okay, so most of you should be able to derive this set of entity classes. So how do you relate together? Now that is the question mark here. So most of you will probably do in such a way that a run type will be associated with run. So this one is one run type. You have 0 or more run. Asterisk means 0 dot asterisk. Alright? And then each run type will have 0 or more run rate. Okay, so that will be the typical thing that you are going to have. Now, then after that, you need to ask yourself, reservation. Should reservation be associated with run types or run? Should reservation be associated with run types or run? This is a key question that most of you are asking, right? Now remember, when we reserve the run, we don't allocate the run at that point in time. Because if you allocate the run at that point in time, it may not be the most optimized solution anyway. And it's not necessary in any case. So we just need to associate with run type. Okay? So in the most simplest case, you only have one reservation to one run type. Okay? But at some point in time, you will see that we have to allocate the runs to the reservation entity, right? So at some point in time, you have to associate these together. So this will be 1 or 0 or more run. Because you can book multiple runs. Okay? Now, also remember, in the process flag, we did mention that you can book more than one runs in a single reservation, right? Also, if you say that you can only book multiple runs all from the same run type, then this will happily solve the problem, right? But if you say that in the reservations, I can book multiple runs of different run types, then that will be a very different thing altogether. Also, in that case, this will not solve the problem. Okay? Because this one is only associated with one run type. Okay? Wow, this one not very useful. How to do this? I try my best to draw. Right, so you will see that then reservation cannot be associated with run type directly. So remember your shopping cart, you have an idea of a shopping cart line item, right? Also, basically, you can have something like this, alright? Reservation line item. So this will be 1 dot dot asterisk 1. It has to be mandatory because you can't reserve nothing, right? Also, you need at least one reservation line item or entry. Okay. Then within the line item, you can then associate with your run type. So this will then be one like this, then this one may be many, that kind of thing. Okay? So eventually when you allocate the run, it should be quite obvious that you associate something like this. This will be many. Okay, this will be many. Because obviously one run can be allocated for many reservations, right? You don't expect one run to be used for just one time. Okay? So there will be something like this that you're going to have. Then after that, your line item, remember, you need to know exactly which run rate that you are using. Right? Because you need to be able to compute the run rate. So if you want to be able to compute the run rate, then you need to be associated with the run rate entity class. Right? But remember, if you stay in the hotel for multiple nights, the run rate might differ on different nights. So just like I told you the rules, you just follow that PowerPoint slides to implement the rules. That will be the default rules also by ambiguity. So if there are multiple run rates that we need to apply, for example, the first night might be a normal rate, the second night normal rate, the third night might be a peak rate. Or for example, maybe the first night is normal rate, maybe it's a Wednesday, then Thursday is a normal rate, Friday, to consider weekend, is a peak rate. So you will have one night of promo rate, one night of normal rate, and one night of peak rate. So in that case, you're going to be associated with multiple run rates. Okay? So if you were to associate line item with run rate directly, and you only put 3 nights over here, wow, I also have a problem. Because right, if let's say I stay for 2 nights under normal rate, then 1 night under promo rate, then you don't know this 3 is for what. Okay? Also, you have a headache there. Right? So you might, I'm just suggesting you might, I'm not saying you must have. So maybe you need to have a thing like, things like run night, kind of thing. So one night item has at least 1 run night. Okay? Then your run night will be associated with exactly 1 run rate. Okay? Also, you know with precision exactly which rate to use. Okay, then you then try to calculate the run rates from there. Okay? So that will help you a little bit. Then after that, then let's come back and look at the run reservation. So you will then ask yourself, then does the run reservation need to be associated with the guest or the employee, that kind of thing? Now, if you have a walk-in reservation, maybe you need to be associated with the employee for accountability. So maybe you can have a line over here, but this will be optional, that kind of thing, right? So if you have a reservation with the guest, or maybe it will be something like this. Okay, if it's a reservation for a partner, maybe you have something like this. So depending on what type of reservation that is. Okay, so you will see then that that will be creating a lot of unnecessary optional relationships. So what you might then want to do is that maybe we can enhance our structure a little bit. So you can have a different type of reservation, for example. Okay, so maybe I have a reservation class which is abstract. Okay. So you can have walking reservation. I can have online reservation and a partner reservation. Alright? So basically this will be associated with a partner, which is mandatory. Right? This will be associated with a guest, a bit small. This will be associated with employee. So this might be one way you can implement so that the relationship all become mandatory. But this is not a very strong use case for inheritance. So I leave it up to you because you probably realize that whether it's a walk-in or online or partner, the only difference is the relationship attribute. There's no tangible attribute that is different. So maybe you don't need this one. I leave you to decide. Okay. Now I give you a better use case for inheritance. I give you a better use case for inheritance. Remember, you have a run rate over there. Run rate might have some different attribute. Why? For example, it is a walk. Sorry, what they call it? Publish. Yeah, it's a publish run rate. Then you have the normal run rate. You have the promo run rate, and you have the maybe the peak run rate, that kind of thing. So at least between these two, there will be some attribute difference between the other two. At least between these two sets, there will be some difference, because in the case of the promo and peak rate, normally we need to know the date start and the date end. So maybe you can say that, maybe for the peak, I only define day by day, so you only have one day. But maybe for promo, I will have a promotional period, so I have a start date and end date. Then maybe that can be the difference. Also over here, this can be date start. Then this can be date end. Then this one maybe just one date, that kind of thing. Then maybe in the publish run rate and the normal run rate, you don't have any other attribute. So that's perfectly fine. Because we just need a subclass to do the typing for us. So we know exactly what type of reservation this thing is. Okay? Now, if you don't want to do inheritance for run rate, the other way to solve this problem is that if you don't want all these things below, you can just have an enum. This is a usage. So you can just have an enum. Also, you can use the different reservation type. Because reservation type is a predefined. We only have 4 reservation type, it won't change. So it's pretty safe to use a run rate over there. As a enum type. Okay? Now another example of inheritance that you might want to think of is something like this. I'll give you another example of inheritance. Okay, so maybe let's say I have a guest. Okay, I have a guest. Then I have another inherited class called registered guest. So basically, guest is a concrete class. Concrete, this is not abstract. Okay, abstract will be italic. Also, I differentiate between guest and registered guest. Why? Because when you check into the hotel, you need to know who stay in the hotel room, right? So whether it's online reservation, walk-in reservation, or partner reservation, you need to know the human who is staying there. It cannot be a ghost, right? So you need to represent the guest somehow, right? But there are certain cases where you are doing the reservation online as a registered guest, so you have an account. Also, at the minimum, you will be a human, not a ghost. And if you are a registered guest, you will be a human with a credential to log into the system. Also, that's one way you can differentiate. Right? So you can see that over here that when I have a reservation, alright, then I can have additional specialization. Also, let's say if this is a walking, right, and then I have the online, I have the partner, right? So basically, you're going to have something like this. So all reservation will have, okay, I let you choose. It can be one or can be many, or you choose. All reservations will have one or more guests. So over here, again, it can be many if you recognize the guest by the passport number, which is perfectly fine. Also, you can use the guest record. So basically, any reservation will be associated with some guests, so you know which humans stay there and all those. Okay. Then after that, for online reservation, there you see. What will be the multiplicity over here? What will be the multiplicity over here? 1, exactly 1. Because you must be a registered guest to make an online reservation. So for walking, partner you don't have. But for the walking, you can be associated with an employee. Partner, you associate with a partner. So you minimize the number of optional relationships through a proper inheritance. Okay, okay? Now, then the last thing I want to highlight to you is that, remember, you need to be able to track. You need to be able to track the number of hotel room inventory that the hotel has. So during reservation, you can confirm whether there's available room for the hotel to stay. Now, question, when I book a hotel room, right? When I reserve hotel room, are you reserving a hotel room or are you reserving a room type? This one depends on whose perspective. If you are the customer, you will be reserving a room. Nothing wrong with that. Also, it's not wrong to say that. But from the hotel perspective, you are reserving a room type. Also, your classmates stop very loudly. Or for the hotel perspective, you are reserving a room type because we do not allocate the room until the day of the check-in, 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay? Also, I say again, from the customer perspective, you are reserving a room, but from the hotel perspective, you are actually reserving a room type. Which is why you see earlier on over here, I associate the line item and the room, line item with the room type and not the room directly. Okay? Now, then coming back to our inventory balance here, so we need to be able to track the inventory balance so the hotel knows whether it can accept the reservation. So there are two ways you can implement the room inventory checking. The first way is you dynamically calculate during runtime by querying all the existing reservation for that particular day. Then you will know whether there's enough room. You can do a dynamic calculation. The other way you can do is that for each of the room type, okay, you can have a room inventory to tell you how many hotel rooms there are. Okay. Now, this multiplicity, likely will be 1, right? Now, question: what will be this multiplicity? MCQ, 0, 1, or many? Many, okay? Because if you put 1 here, right? If you put 1 here, your room type only has 1 inventory. Maybe you only know the total number of rooms in the hotel, right? But that will not solve the problem because you want to know exactly the number of available rooms for that room type for a particular night. Also, if you just know the aggregate level, you won't know that number. You still need to calculate yourself during runtime. So you're likely going to have many of these room inventory, 1 per day, 1 per business day, or per reserve day. Or if no one put the room type on that day, then you don't need an entry. If someone put a room on that day, then you create inventory to start tracking from there onwards. So in most cases, the hotel allows advanced reservation up to 1 year in advance. Or normally it's about 1 year in advance. So there is 365 business day forward looking. So if it's 365 forward looking, then you have 5 room type. Then it will be 365 times 5 per calendar year. Or you use 1,500 records to track the inventory per room type per night. Or if you want to have an easier life of determining the room inventory balance during reservation. Otherwise, you don't need this one. You can do a dynamic calculation during runtime. Okay? Alright, so I guess that's about what I can tell you. Because if I tell you too much, then myself I code for you. Alright? Okay, so let's do a poll. Should we upload this to IBLE? You say no, I say what? Yeah, so no, you upload. Okay. Alright, so that's it for today's lecture, right? We'll see you back next week.